All right, so we're back with another video. I did a review on the Aventon that is over there, and a bunch of companies reached out to me and said, hey, man, do you want to do a review on our product? I said, absolutely, because I can't do vapes anymore. Well, I still can, but I can't. So did that. Now we're going to do this. And apparently people wanted to hear whether or not, like the product, not so much assembling it, but how the product itself is. So that is something that we are. You okay?
Yeah. Oh,
What?
hello.
Okay.
Hi.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Have we go.
All right. Just do your own fucking thing and show up and okay. Great. So that was the Amazon guy. Cool. So, yes. Bunch of companies are sending me e-bikes, which I'm down for because I just need a reason to get skinnier. Because if I'm not sucking it in, this is what I look like. And I'm not too confident with who I am.
Pregnancy is beautiful.
Especially in today's day and age, right? You have to accept my transgenderism. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be assembling it, and there's going to be more roll. There'll be some drone shots of me on it, telling you how fast it goes. More so in depth than what the other one was. That was 30 minutes of basically assembling the bike. Not so much the experience with it. And we also, check this out. I'm going to plug this in here. I got this because last time we did it, we were doing some Jimmy Rig Jam where we just kind of, I got to move this bike, yo. What's the name of the device?
It is Dusty Blue Mars 2.
Yep, Mars 2 just came out though. So, do we have something to cut these straps with?
What do we need? Wire cutters.
Oh, fat ass.
This is the Mars 2.0 in Dusty Blue. Recycling.
That's not how that works. It looks like it's all together.
Yeah.
Jeez. Okay, that's pretty nice. Go ahead, big guns. Check out that battery that they put in there. Just like that. You know, I used to assemble bikes at Toys R Us. Wow. Wow, those are some...
Hi, Dusty.
That's actually pretty nice.
Those
man.
are nice tires.
Yeah, that's a nice tire. A lot of people ride these, man. I think they call them like beach fuckers or something.
What?
Beach bummers. Oh, these snips don't work. Here we go. Beach.
Cruisers?
That might be it. This might be a little difficult to put on that stand. A couple little, yeah, some nicks on it.
Hey, bike!
Hey, bike. Can we put it here? Yes.
Maybe.
So weight, not too bad.
No.
Yes. Wow. Yeah, that's not bad. So we're able to put it on. Let me zoom that up a little bit so you can see what we're looking at. Yeah, so you can see using the stand what we did here. We used that top bracket there to kind of hold that in because you can't really use this. And that's holding it. Yeah, you can see. That's nice. Chain's off. No big deal. Easy fix. Easy fix. Okay. Let's sit on it. Throttle being on the right side. Adjustment here to go up and down in gear or drop the gear. The reach Keep in mind, I am 6'1". It does allow me to extend it all the way. Seat is extremely comfortable. Feet are flat on the ground with a base line. Now, folding it, yes, it does fold. It does not lock. So not super heavy. You gotta watch out for the handlebars and your balls. Gonna swing this out. Watch out for your testicles in this, man. So it snaps in. That's easy. Side stand down, easy. Seat, done. Handlebars, up. Snaps in. Done. Easy. There you go. Oh, some indicator there, the battery. And then you see it says off up here. Hold down the power button. Wow, that is a display. That's
Yeah,
your
and
pedal
we're in
assist.
bright full
1, 2,
sun.
3, 4. Max, average. It does have Bluetooth popping up. Ooh. Holy shit. That was like next level. Okay. Holy shit. Jesus. Dude, you just pedal once? Okay, this is cheating. This is 100% cheating. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, with just the throttle, I could get it to 22 miles per hour, no problem. So, Bree is too short for the bike. The seat is extremely comfortable. I feel like the handlebars need to be a little bit more forward. It honestly is more comfortable to me than the Aventon, because the Aventon, my hands are like this, right? With this, it's more straight. It's got some, and regardless of whether it's at pedal assist 1, 2, yeah, regardless whether it's at 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, it still takes off equally the same. It's just how quick it gets to it. Zero pedaling at all. My feet were on the pedals, but I didn't do anything. Whether or not I could do a true 28 miles per hour, I don't know what it says on the site. I could just tell you, just off the jump out of the box, I'm able to get, 22 miles per hour. Suspension's nice. All right, you see we are at pedal assist 1, so as soon as I hit this, I mean, it is a jolt. You see that jolt? Then at pedal assist 1, at full speed, that's all the way down, no pedaling at all. See, it kind of doesn't go past, let's slow it down a little bit. Let's bring it to 7, and that's where we go. Whether or not that's doing a true 7, and then we go 8, little jolty. See, that's at 2 right there. 3, keeping the throttle down. 4, 5. No difference. No difference between 4 and 5. None. I want to get out the phone and I want to see what the speeds this actually clocks at, whether or not we're doing a true 20 miles per hour. 8, 10, 12, 13, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is 22, 23. It's accurate. You see there, we're at 21. It's pretty accurate. It's about a mile per hour off. So the app is called HeyBike Electric Bikes. Open it up, allow. So we registered, would like to use Bluetooth, yes. Okay, false alarm, start and track, add bike. Automatically picked it up, first try. Add, wow. Proximity lock, auto lock, huh, turn off. Oh my God, that actually turned it off.
Wow.
Turn on. Oh my God. Turn on. Turn off. Proximity lock. Confirm. Shows your miles. So that is, that's impressive. Turn on. Wow. Proximity auto unlock. Function requires the HeyBike app to be active. The bike will be automatically unlocked when the phone is close to the bike. Confirm. Okay. It's on 15 seconds, right? So the bike's not moving. When I close the app, what happens? It actually shut off.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to open the app back up. I'm going to walk up to the bike and it automatically
It already
turned
opened.
on. Wow. Yeah. Come back over here with me. All right, let's shut it off. So we're going to shut the bike off. We have this to 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Now, if I close the app, look at this. The app is closed. So you see the Bluetooth blinking? App is closed. So after 15 seconds, this should shut off. I'm going to wait 15 seconds. It's off. Now, come with me. Now, the bike is still off, right? Crazy part is, once we turn this on, let's back up a little bit more. We're going to, I'm sure you can't see the screen right now, but if we turn this on, I haven't touched anything. We're walking on, it's on. The screen is on. So automatically, once the app is open, okay, that's badass. Talk about saving battery life. That's pretty cool. Can I turn it on without my phone? Without the app, right? Phone's in the garage. Well, let me turn it on. Yes, but Bluetooth. Let's see if this works. Just gonna sit on this real quick. Oh, it's not perfect, right? Now, oh,
What happened?
it shut off. It shut off. Turn this back on. Okay, so Bluetooth is blinking. I don't have my phone, right? Now, I could hit this, and it goes forward, right? It's sensing movement. Sensing movement. Bluetooth is still blinking, and it goes off. Yo. It's got a lock feature. So, yeah, you could steal it. But every 15 seconds, it's automatically going to shut off. I think it should, once it's paired, that it should not be able to turn on by itself. If we could do some type of flash memory or set it to where a setting in the firmware to where it's not 10 seconds or 15 seconds, that not even a second, like it won't even let you turn it on. If it could do that, would make it perfect. It's still a badass feature. I just think it could be updated to where it's not 15 seconds and that it's 5. Aside from that, I mean, I can't complain about much. The manual's a little jacked up, saying that this needs to be dead forward. Okay, obviously that's not the case, because if it was dead forward, it would go into the seat. I like the adjustment of the seat. The only thing that I would really change is obviously the firmware side, which I'm sure they could do on the back end. I would like to see it all locked together, some type of latch that I'm not aware of. I didn't see anything when you fold it up. I do like the adjustable shocks. I like how it picks up. I can't get past 22 with just the throttle. I may be able to go faster, so it has that class 3 type of restriction on it. I'm not going to get too much into the classes. I would have preferred a better, really a hydraulic brake, but that is just regular lever brakes. And to adjust this, all you got to do is there's this screw right here, right? To adjust this, to make this tighter, you unscrew this, you pull out this wire, and then you tighten this down so this wire's tighter, so this way it will cause that to have more of a throw. You understand? So you would pull this down, and then it would be like that. So when you press more, you'd be pulling on it more. That's how you adjust these. They're actually easier to adjust than hydraulic, but at least this you don't have to worry about mineral fluid. I honestly prefer brakes by wire than hydraulic brakes, but you know, it's all personal preference. And the clearance of this, I would have liked to seen a little bit more. This is a little bit too shallow, having, you know, whatever that is, 3 millimeter clearance. It makes me a little nervous of how that looks. It's not saying it's bad, it's a little tight. Other than that, I can't complain. Aside from a couple of little dings on it, right? You can see here, it's a little scratched up here. That could have been from the pliers, I'm not sure. As far as everything else, I mean, there's no dings, dents, burrs, cowboy boots anywhere on it. Looks good. It's, you know, you got your rear hub motor. Can't complain. I do love that Bluetooth feature. I would have liked to seen that 5-second throw. Or just none. You know, because if it could pick it up where 15 seconds you got nothing, I could see, like, if you don't have your phone on you or you lose your phone, well, then I guess you won't be pedaling. But other than that, I can't complain. I mean, it's pretty solid for what it is. You know what I'd like to see too? Some type of steering lock. I don't think there's any e-bikes that have that, but easy, man. Easy stuff. Can't complain with the bike. I like it. I like the appearance of it. I prefer it in gray or black, but I got it for free. So, a little bit of logos everywhere. Screen still shows off. So it's not truly off. It's in standby mode. I would say the HeyBike, one thing I would change is the firmware to make it to where it is immediate. That's it. Love the horn.